Hey, 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 mi gente linda. What's going on, todo el mundo? So today is going to be a little different, y'all. I'm talking low because I'm at work, but I'm doing my mukbang at work. I have to bring out content, guys, and right now, work for me is like we're in busy season. So November, December, January is crazy. Like I leave late every day. I come in at 7 in the morning. I'm supposed to come in at 8. So it's been hectic. So I'm like, you know what? My mukbangs, I'm just going to do them here at work. Why not? So today we got Chipotle. Okay, the lighting is not so great over here. So yes, I have my coworker Maria with me. She's on the side. So we're just gonna like talk while I eat my delicious. Ooh, who did into the quesadilla, y'all? Looks amazing. Ay Dios, tengo una hambre que no veo. They actually did it really good. I told them to toast it a little. Ow! More than what they usually do. I have this medium sauce here. Oh my god. I haven't prayed. I'm bugging. Hold on. Okay. Oh my god, this is so good. There you go.
The rice is just a little like
Dry.
no hard.
You should have did the white rice. I mean, I know you're trying to be healthy, but. Thank you.
It's just that brown rice is so hard. Why can't they do it? Fully cook it good.
Esto está rico. Oh my god, for real. They gotta get like a cutter over there, because with that knife is not. I'm not cutting it. I got a steak quesadilla from Chipotle. Qué rico.
Your steak is good.
You got steak too? Oh, I know. Yeah. That's also not one. They put mad avocado on your stuff. Guacamole. Gracias. I also got queso dip with chips. You'll get it. It's so good. So Maria, why do you think men are so immature?
Your mama didn't raise him right.
Because their moms didn't raise them right?
Yeah.
I think so. I think it's the mom. I think it's not. I don't think it's the mom. I think it's the friends.
Well, the mama knows the friends to be in their life.
I'll tell you why. I have a perfect example. I know this guy. I'm not gonna say no names. I was with, right? Has the most amazing parents. I mean, they are like the ideal parents. Amazing. And they raised him right. Like, super right. And he still decided to do me dirty and everything. And I mean, and I'm like,
Raised by mother and father?
And he cheated on me. Everything did me so wrong.
Well, surroundings have a lot to do with it.
I feel like his friends. I feel like it was his friends, but I don't think men are immature or dirtbags because of their parents. I mean, a lot of it sometimes, of course. But I feel like it has to do with like the people you surround yourself with, meaning like your friends.
Yeah, but your mom's supposed to know where you're at. It's 10 p.m. at night. If she doesn't care where you're at, then you can be hanging out with anybody. You have to
You can tell your mom right now.
control your son's surrounding.
You can't control that.
You have to try.
For real. I don't know how many women were raised. Not saying that this is a bad thing, but you know how many women were raised that stripping is bad and like their parents never taught them that. And at the end of the day, there's a whole bunch of girls that now are strippers that were never taught that way because they made their decisions
But
at
that's
the
their
end.
choice. That's a choice. But being like,
You know what I'm saying? Like, no matter how you were raised, you make the decision. Like, your mom can't control that. That's what I mean.
I still wouldn't do it.
No, of course. I wouldn't either. But what I'm saying is like...
Then how were we raised differently than them?
It's not.
It's a difference.
Our surroundings are different.
Oh, yeah.
If you had to, do it. And it was just you and your baby. You don't got no other way.
I don't see myself like that.
I mean, you never
Not
know
against
until you're
nobody
in
that
that.
does
Yeah,
that, but-
of course. But you never really know until you're put into that situation.
I like to
Like when
see
your
them
back
strip.
is in the corner, you like to see them strip.
Yeah,
You don't want to strip.
When I give them ones.
How many ones do you have, Maria?
I go there with 20. I get out with more.
You give them more than $20? No, 100.
Max is 20.
No. Oh, you like them for real.
No. I spend 20 in singles. I'm cheap.
You know, like that.
That's it.
I've never been to a strip club. But I think it'll be a cool experience. It'll be like funny. I think I'll just laugh while I'm there. Like when I'm in like seeing situations that are weird that I've never been around, I just laugh. Like that's my defensive mechanism. Reírme. También cuando algo me duele or I hate myself, yo me río.
Me too. At this age, what are people going to do if you cry?
All right, nothing. They'll probably laugh at you.
You better get up and continue walking.
No, that's right. Things have gotten so savage.
I said I would only eat half. I'm eating everything.
All right, you are hungry, huh? I'm hungry too.
I'm going to the gym after this.
And what gym is that?
All girls gym. All girls gym.
Why all girls gym?
It's close to my job. I mean, to my house. And it just happens to be an all girls gym. And they do aerobic,
Okay.
Zumba.
No,
You know, a lot of things con aeróbicos.
that's
Not
nice.
too much crazy things like weights or anything like that.
That's good though.
They do yoga. And stuff like that.
That's good. ¿Qué hora tú hay?
I don't know, maybe 6:30 or 7. Like 6:30.
I'm so messy when I eat.
I can't believe Janessa doesn't eat this whole thing by herself.
What happened?
Either I eat a lot or Janessa only eats half of it, remember? And it's so fast. I don't know
Yeah,
how.
I don't know. She does get really full super quick.
How many calories in this whole bowl?
Yeah, well. I mean, like 600 calories,
No,
500 calories.
that's a lot of rice.
It's brown rice.
1,000. It's
It's brown rice. There's no way it has 1,000 calories.
My math is so different from yours.
Yeah. I'm full. This is gonna be my shortest mukbang. But it's like, what else can I do on the weekends? It's becoming really hard for me to film because I'm not home. I'm not spending time with my family like that or the kids, my nieces and nephew. So like, I have to spend time with them on the weekends and taking out time to record and do the setup and mucho and then editing. Oh, I came up with a brilliant idea. I came up with a brilliant idea of doing mukbangs at work. Smart me, I know. Oh, hold up. Mira, mi gente. So guys, you guys already know. Please subscribe, like, and share. Comment, please. I love to hear comments, and even if it's criticism, whatever, I take it very well. Please let me know what I can do better, what you guys want to see. And ya ustedes saben, I love you. Bye.